The Thessalonian you're fighting. He's the biggest man I've ever seen. I wouldn't want to fight him.
Huh? What?
They think it's talking birds. They think it's talking birds.
These niggas talking birds and never seen the cage. These niggas talking birds and never clean the cage. These niggas talking birds, yo, that shit is played. How he got caught with a bird and he not caged? How the fuck that nigga not caged? How the fuck that nigga not caged?
Damn, he tellin'. Damn, he tellin'.
This is a street.
Niggas talk shit, nigga worry about your damn self.
Nigga, why you worry about me? 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 All this dough I'm counting.